Non sequiturs.
Right.
I'm so clever.
I love them, though.
The different fucking crazy ones that make like no sense.
It's not something you expect to hear.
Today I did a bunch of Special K and jerked off a bunch of baboons. I had no idea how much I love sucking on goat cocks.
I don't know if I can tell that part.
Oh, okay.
I still live here.
So I came across and he asked me to blow him.
God, at least he asked you. He demanded I do it. Speaking of tranquilizers.
He doses me to go meet his parents and borrow their car.
Of course he did.
Yeah.
I'd be like, my superpower is I really enjoy blowjob. I'll show you.
Can I blow my nose in your twat?
Because you were thinking about me when you wrote it.
Oh, Iwo Jima statue out front, but with a Confederate flag on it?
Shut up. Like, that's like quadruple offensive.
Or they'll have killed her for some really fucking creepy fucking reasons.
Win-win.
When you're fucking an animal, does it, like, matter if it's a boy or a girl?
I can honestly say that's the only time I had to stick my hand down somebody's throat.
But that counts as a goddamn dead body boat. I don't give a fuck.
No, it wasn't Teddy, because I don't remember the cops beating anybody up.
It's like every child's nightmare is true.
And I was definitely ready for a confrontation.
You know, like just go through a room and somebody's being eaten by flying alligators.
Dude, about to tell you one thing I learned is if you're going to murder somebody in your kitchen and cut them up, if you cut through that linoleum, you take all the linoleum up.
The game is the biggest bitch-ass person ever. Yeah, man, I can't believe no one has a credit card in there. And I go, yeah, it's unbelievable. If you're a gangster, you should have some fucking cash on you.
I bet you right now if we pull him up on Google Images, there will be at least one picture in the first 50 of him making it rain somewhere.
I have tattoos.
Let me smell your fat fucking breath.
If my kid was that clever, I'd stop beating them.
Because the best part is, after you beat them consistently for a bit, and then you don't one day, and they miss it. Like, that's when you know you've done good.
Never mind. It's not. I'm cutting that part out because it made me look stupid.
Only getting better.
But it gets crazier. Fucking Johnny Rodeo. Check out the full episodes to find out what the fuck we're talking about.